The US SEC, in a big historic move, has approved Bitcoin spot ETF, and the trading could begin as early as in the US markets from today itself. Well, remember, the street was anticipating and was expecting that this could happen in the month of January 2024 itself, and we have seen that being delivered. Well, the ETF of Bitcoin futures already exists, but with the spot ETF structure, it is all about adoption by the mainstream finance. It gives institutions, financial advisors, and retail a regulated exposure to Bitcoin. One can invest without the complexity now of digital wallets, unregulated exchanges, or buying shares of Bitcoin companies. The ETFs could bring stability in the prices of Bitcoin, is what the markets believe. And while this is only for the US, but a lead like this from a regulator in one of the major economies can make other countries look at the possibilities too. Despite approving the new ETFs, the SEC did say that it is still deeply skeptical about cryptocurrencies and that its decision does not mean that it approves or endorses Bitcoin in any way. Well, we do understand that 11 applications of Bitcoin ETFs have been on for some time, and this includes big names like BlackRock, Vanguard, Grayscale, Franklin Templeton, Ark Investments, Fidelity, to name just a few. The street also believes that the first week or 10 days of ETFs could garner as much as $5 to $10 billion. And in this year, 2024, that is, the ETFs could draw almost $50 to $55 billion. The Bitcoin market capitalization as we speak stands at $913 billion. And while the Bitcoin is trading at the highest since March 2022, Bitcoin has jumped up by nearly 70% since the month of October, anticipating exactly this. The prices, remember, had sunk to a low of $16,000 in November 2022. This is after the bankruptcy of the crypto exchange FTX. It was also trading at 46,500 to 47,000 kind of levels hours after the SEC announcement. The markets now want to see on what ETFs come on platter immediately, what follows after that. It also is going to be about the Bitcoin halving in April 2024, and the markets already are asking a question if the Ether spot ETF is the next thing to watch out for.
How do world leaders view India?
I've long believed that the relationship between the United States and India is will be one of the defining relationships of the 21st century.
The bright spot of the global economy.
The growth rate for India, which is 6.8 in 2022. Let's not forget, this is one of the bright spots in the global economy right now, such a high growth rate.
The potential of India is enormous, and you have now a reformer, a radical reformer, who has the ability to transform it.
On the verge of a big transformation.
इस अमृत काल में हमारे संकल्पों की सिद्धि हमें आजादी के 100 वर्ष तक ले जाएगी.
A magnet for investment.
I'm actually incredibly excited about the future of India. I think India has more promise than any large country in the world.
The world is bullish on India. Moneycontrol is bullish on India. Join the campaign. Tweet to us with hashtag MC Bullish on India.